loving you no day for me, young girl. Oh, young girl. No, tell me no, 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 no. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 lo. Oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty gon' give me your lo, 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 lo.
Alright, so it is Saturday. It is not Sunday. We are not doing a Sunday dinner. This is our Saturday night dinner, y'all. I have some oxtail with some rice and peas and some cabbage. So this is our Saturday night dinner. You see that, y'all? Y'all see how that oxtail just break apart? My Lord.